How to delete Facebook account. Now, if you want to delete every content of your Facebook account or delete your Facebook account overall, all you have to do is to tap on these three lines on the upper corner right here and click on the settings icon right here. After clicking on that, you just have to tap on Account Center and scroll down until you see Personal Details right here. After you click on that, you'll be able to see this section that says Account Ownership and Control. You just have to click on that in order for you to manage your data on your account. And then click on Deactivation or Deletion right here. Just have to tap on your Facebook account. And as you can see, you are given an option whether you want to deactivate your account or delete your account. Deactivation is a temporary move, while deleting your account is a permanent move on your account. You just have to tap on Delete Account right here and hit Continue. Now you just have to give your reason why you want to delete this specific account. Let's say right here. Now you just have to scroll down and hit Continue right here. Now type in your password, and after hitting Continue, Facebook will give you at least 1 month to process your deletion of account. So if you change your mind in deleting your account, you can just log back into Facebook. And after that 1 month ends, your account on Facebook will be permanently deleted. So that's how to delete Facebook account. Hope you help.